Hi, welcome to NIWeek 2008. My name is Swapnil Padhye and I'm a product marketing engineer with National Instruments. Today we have Chris McDonald from CGM Engineering here. And Chris, do you mind explaining us what is going on?
Sure. What we're demonstrating here is our structural health monitoring system. This system, we have two of these systems currently installed in the Beijing Olympic Stadium. And structural health monitoring basically is looking for changes in the structure that might indicate a failure somewhere in the structure over time. And so what they do is they place these sensors throughout the structure at specific points. And then they're looking at the vibration of the structure over time and how that frequency might change, which might indicate something has weakened in a structure. So currently we have, as I mentioned, two systems installed in the Olympic Stadium. We have another system in the swimming venue that's newly built in Beijing for the Olympics. We also have two systems in a 104-story building that is just getting ready to open in Shanghai, and other structures throughout China, bridges and dams. So it's also installed. So the system is built using the National Instruments C-RIO hardware. We have three of their C-RIO systems internally on the system. And one of the important characteristics of this system is it allows synchronization not just between channels but between systems. It's using a time-based GPS signal to synchronize the systems, so you can have synchronization anywhere on the planet within 10 microseconds of each other, which is important in a large structure because you cannot run the wires to the sensors too far, so you have to put multiple systems and be able to synchronize them at the same time clock. The other important characteristic is to be able to run them in remote areas, so it's ruggedized to operate in remote areas, and it has communication externally, either through Ethernet or even modem in some really remote areas where you don't have network communication. So the user can run a client software interface, and I can just demonstrate this is actually a client software interface that's communicating with the system through Ethernet in this demo. But they can configure the channels for different triggers, and when a trigger event occurs, they get a notification on the screen telling them that event occurs. There's an event log, and then they can also download the data log files that are recorded internally in the system here.